Ever found yourself locked out of your Paysend account or just feeling like it's time for a security refresh? Maybe you've forgotten your password, or you're simply being proactive about protecting your financial information. Whatever the reason, knowing how to change your password on Paysend is a crucial skill for every user. It's a simple process, but getting the steps right ensures your money and personal data stay safe. So, let's walk through it together. There are two main ways to go about this, one if you're already logged in, and another if you're not and need to reset it. First, if you're already logged into your Paysend account, this is the easiest route. Just head over to the Profile section. You'll usually find this under a More or Account tab in the app or on the website. Once you're there, look for Settings or Account Settings, and within that menu, you should see an option to change password. The system will then ask you to enter your current password, and then your new password twice to confirm. Make sure your new password is a strong one. A good mix of letters, numbers, and symbols is always a good idea. Once you've entered the new details, hit Save, and you're all set. Now, what if you've completely forgotten your password and can't log in? No problem at all. On the login screen, right below the password field, you'll see a Forgot Password or Reset Password link. Tap on that. Paysend will then ask you to enter the email address or phone number associated with your account. Do that, and they'll send you a password reset link or a verification code. This is a secure way for them to confirm it's really you. Once you receive the link or code, follow the instructions to create a new password. Again, make sure it's strong and unique. After you've successfully created a new password, you can go back to the main login screen and use your brand new credentials to access your account. See? It's that simple. Whether you're making a security update or recovering from a forgotten password, Paysend makes the process straightforward to ensure you can always access your account securely. Staying on top of your password hygiene is one of the best ways to protect your digital wallet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.